Hello guys, good morning. It's Monday, a new week, new trading week. I'm gonna give a little explanation about what I mapped out here. The Euro GBP on the 4 hour. I did a video about a week ago or so where I did the breakout. Okay, I did the breakout from this point. Okay, we all can remember that, I think, from this point. So this was the breakout, and after that, I did another video um, where price start to reject this major daily level. Okay, I mapped out this candle. Okay, so if you look my other videos, you can see that I was talking about this and check out how we drop. Okay, and we start to we start to break the market structure. So you can see that we start to range in a new range, in an old range, um, and after that, price start to push up again. Okay, price start to push up again, and you can see that right here very clear. Okay, and now we are in this range again. Okay, so and now it looks interesting to me. Okay, because you can see that we bounce up, that we create a new high, a new higher low, a new high, and a possible higher low. Okay, so this could be a possible new higher low. So what do I expect? If you're gonna close like this, that the price, okay, that the price will push up again. Okay, that is what I expect. Okay, so we will push up again if we're gonna engulf. Okay, and I want to show you the 1 hour, for example. You can see it. Price start to reject in this level again. Okay, so more than likely, if we're not gonna break to the downside, okay, there's one way, and we will go up. Okay, and that will that will confirm to us that we have created a new higher low. Okay, but we have to reject this level, and we have to an engulfing candle. Okay, on the higher time frame. So that will mean that we will have a new bar, a bullish bar, that the price will engulf the last few hour candles. Okay, so that means that we have a candle right here, for example, a new candle, for example, right here with a bigger body. Okay, and that the price will start to engulf. Okay, at least this 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of information that we will engulf. um, and some people, I want to give another explanation as well. Some people will wait for a breakout to this level. Okay, and where a lot of people make a mistake, um, if they're gonna take sells in this market condition. Okay, because overall the momentum is up. Okay, you can see that the momentum is up. So that you need a lot of sellers pressure and break structure rise to have sells in these conditions. Okay, in this market conditions, I'm aiming for buys. Okay, because you can see it: a high, higher low, a high, higher low, and so continue. Okay, so more than likely there will be more buy orders in this price area, and then we will push up. Okay, if it doesn't break with a full body, a bearish body to the downside, there is not any sells confirmed. Okay, so a lot of people focus on the minute 15, for example. Okay, this right here is simple rejection level. Okay, you can see it. This is simple rejection. This isn't the breakout. Okay, this isn't the breakout. The price could not close with a strong body to the downside. So you should not aim for sells in this condition. So a lot of people focus on the minute 5 or minute 15, but the top-down analysis is made on the higher time frame. You have to read the higher time frame. Okay, that is very important. So for example, the minute 5, you can see the minute 5 have a lot of fake outs. Okay, the minute 5 have a lot of fake outs. Okay, you can say price close under this zone, but it is not valid. Okay, you can see that this candle right here have a hard time to break and close in the zone. After that, the banks and institutions, they fake it. Okay, you can see it. Some people will take sells here, but this is not a good and a strong breakout. What I explain in all my other videos, in my education, in my mentorships, we need strong and clean bodies. Okay, not price with a lot of wicks. Okay, because simple, we are in a biased market right now on the Euro GBP, okay? So that is my idea behind this pair, okay? So don't focus too much on a minute 1 or minute 5. Make sure your top-down analysis is made on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Identify the highs and the lows, okay, on the higher time frame, and from there you note down you add your text on the screen like I did right here, okay, to make it a little bit easier for yourself, okay. So if you're trading a few pairs, you can participate on this, okay. If you have right here the next target, the daily zone, we had a breakout with right here. This was the range. This could be a new high or low, okay, right here. Euro GBP, we did it before. Price started to engulf slowly. So now in this situation, I wait for a good and clean engulfing candle, okay? And then I decide, do I wait for a possible retest or do I enter directly and take the chance that I have a little drawdown, okay? So if we're gonna push to the upside, we have a range for about 40 pips, okay? But my first target, if I aim for price right here, my first target should be this level, okay? Because we break out in the history before, okay, last week, and price start to reject this level. So this is an interesting level for me. So this is my first take profit point, okay? And if we're talking, it's about 20 pips, okay? It's about 20 pips, okay? So now price start to engulf, possible to this side. You can wait for a little retest. And now I'm gonna calculate my risk. So I want my stops below this level. That is for about 13 or 14 pips. If I enter directly in engulfing, if I wait for a retest, the risk is less. Let's say 10 pips, okay? Let's say 10 pips. Because if we break this level, we have a possibility that we go down, okay? So that is where you risk. But the reward could be easily to this level, 20 pips, okay? 20 pips to this level, okay? And if we're breaking this level, we could aim for more buys because we break this resistance level, and then we have another target, again 20 pips, okay? So that is what I mean. This should be your first take profit point after the engulfing, after the retest. This should be your first take profit. So if you're in this point and you decide to hold your trade a little bit longer, you put your stops in profit, okay? So you put your stops around here if price will push up, okay? So for example, the last hour candle or the 4-hour candle, you place the both, okay? So you can manage your risk in a proper way. It's very important, guys. So yeah, this was the Euro GBP. I hope it is a little bit clear for you guys. Wait for the confirmations on higher time frame. Read the market structure, read the highs, read the lows, understand where to look for, put yourself in the best position possible, trade the best sessions, okay? It's also a very important thing. Manage your risk before you enter a trade. Yeah, try to understand what you're doing, guys. I hope it helps this video. I'm the Forex Scalper, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or visit my website, theforescalpers.com. I wish you all a good trading week. Have fun. Ciao.